Hello and thank you for joining me. This is Tech Guy from the Hive, bringing you a subscription unboxing of the Sew Sampler box. In multiple videos of the Sew Sampler unboxing, we have had this box, every box besides box number 1, and that was I think a year or two ago, and I think it was like one of the first of its kind. Now there's subscription boxes for almost anything in any genre, but I think Fat Quarter Shop was one of the ones that's kind of started it first. Again, if I'm wrong, please comment below and let me know. But I thought this was an awesome concept. A year or two ago, I got this for my wife as just I don't know what gift it was, but I knew she absolutely loved it, and we've kept with it. Some boxes were really great. Some boxes were you know, things that we still don't use but we keep around anyway. But every Sew Sampler box has a theme, and I really like how they try to stick to that theme. So let's go ahead and look into the October box. I'm staying true. I have not looked at this box before this footage, and Kia B wanted to open it up and like go through it before, and I told her I'm walking in the other room. I want to make sure that we get the first shots, or at least the first unboxing for this October box. So let's go ahead and jump right in and see what's going on with Sew Sampler. Of course, Sew Sampler does a pretty good job with using the advertising here, and I like these pop-outs. It kind of like fills the space, or I don't know, it does something for me. It looks like it's just a great standout. This is the theme, and just dive right in. So I'm gonna open this. Of course, there's always a promo code for a coupon on the back for $40 or more. Enjoy the 10% off. And then next one, I'm thinking this is what's the contents in the box, of course, so they always do a great job on what's actually in the box and the value and things like that. Of course, we hold that till the end. And then it says, next one, it says Perfect 10 Book and Ruler. It's Sew Emma, which I'm pretty sure Kia likes. It's Sew Emma. Book and ruler. Don't know where the ruler is or the book. It's probably in here, but that's pretty cool. Quilt3r Label Set, and I think this is the second box or the third box we've gotten, we received, that has labels in here. And I know some of you have commented below in previous videos. Do you guys or gals label your quilts, label your you know, creations and things like that? And we've kind of leaned towards the part, especially with Project Peanut, that we're going to label our quilts so they kind of know where it came from and things like that. So pretty cool label. It's a 12-pack from Fat Quarter Shop. Ready to use pleated quilt sleeve. Easy to use, saves time, streamlined patented designs, allows art to hang flat. Oh, it's called Quilters Hangup. Goes sleeveless. I don't know, it's 3 yards. Is it something to put on your quilt on to make it flat? I'm not sure, but if you know what this is, comment below. This is something I have not seen yet. It's 100% cotton, but comment below, let me know what that is. If you've gotten the box, help a brother out. X-Blocks, the essential tool for fabric pre-cuts for 2.5 strips, which is going to go well with what our next thing that I'm going to pull out of the box here. It looks like it's just grab a jelly roll of your favorite pre-cuts. It's so basic, it's so fun. Cactus Queen Quilt Company. I'm going to ask Kia B what we use with this. Of course, we talk about that and we go right into the jelly roll here. Of course, Moda. She loves Moda designs, Moda fabric. I'm going to pull this one out. And it's your whites, your dingy whites, your grays, your light grays. A lot of cool stuff in here. Like blueprints and different circles and arrows. And it looks like on the flip side of some of these, I don't know if you can actually see it, It's like patterns for making like clothes. So that's pretty cool here. Let's see if I have some cursive writing, polka dots, things like that. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Kind of goes with the theme going on here. And this will be going with the Ellipsis quilt pattern that we have here. And it looks like what's in your box, the template that you have with the X blocks, you're going to be using that. The jelly roll, and you'll need 2/3 of a yard for a border, a 1/2 yard for binding, and a backing and things like that. So that's pretty cool, and it gives you the pattern and how to make it together and sew it together. That's pretty cool, and I like the paper that comes with it. And of course, it comes with a barn block recipe. I think I've discussed this before. They used to have like recipe cards about like yay big, and they give you like the first month they give you a recipe card plus a recipe like box. I like those. I know Kia did too. Now it's kind of in a bigger card stock here. So it's pretty cool. I liked it. I'm not really too sure about the Quilters Hangup here, but I'm going to ask Kia and figure out what we can use with that around her studio. The labels I absolutely like. Of course, I think you need to label your stuff that you make for others to know who they got it from. And at the very end, of course, what's in your box, just my type for October. Quilt3r's Label Set. It's retail about $5. Quilters Hangup. Don't let your quilt go sleeveless. Instead, simply attach this ready-to-use pleated quilt sleeve on your precious quilt. Simply measure the width across your quilt top, roll the desired sleeve length, and cut. Then attach to your quilt either by slip stitch or safety pins. Okay, cool. And then the template to use for the pattern, the Ellipsis. So pretty cool. You got the barn block recipe, which is $5. I think it's a sew along. And then members only exclusive savings, 15% off of all box items. So if there's something that you like in the box, and comment below what you like in the box for October, you get an additional 15% off if you're trying to order more of what's in the box for October. So thank you very much for joining me for the Sew Sampler month of October, just my type. Let me know below if you like the subscription box, if you did not like the subscription box, what you liked, what they did before, and what you're looking forward from them in the future. Thank you very much. This is Tech Guy from the Hive. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.